Good morning. Are you Tiffany English? And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive a formal reading of the motion in each case? Ms. English, in 18-30705, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation June 10th, 2019 for the offense of assault on a peace officer, a second-degree felony, and that was a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Yes, ma'am. And in cause number 19-31722, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation June 10th of 2019 for the state jail felony offense of possession of a controlled substance, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Yes, ma'am. You pleaded that charge. Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas? Do you fully understand? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? State tenders number 1. No. It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Thompson is not competent? No. All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered the plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of making a false statement regarding property or credit, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 3 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody, that the law gives you the right. I'm going to find that you entered the plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of murder. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 30 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You do receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification. That shows that this was an agreement that I followed, so you have waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of that judgment against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Reynolds. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. Thank you again, ma'am, for being here.